Mrityunjay Tiwari has called it a family matter, and that is the big breaking update we have for you. The first reaction that is come from the RJD party. The leader says that only top brass can answer on this. Have a look.
नहीं, देखिए, ये परिवार का मामला है। परिवार के लोग जवाब देंगे और ये पार्टी का शीर्ष नेतृत्व इसको देखेगा पूरे मामले को। अभी तो चुनाव परिणाम आए हैं, इसके बाद से स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन इस तरह के परिणाम क्यों आए, क्या कारण रहे, इसकी समीक्षा होगी। किन कारणों से ये हुआ, इसके बाद ही इस पर कोई प्रतिक्रिया होगी।
And this is the first reaction that is coming from the RJD party. On one hand, the Congress party has justified the attack in a way, saying that this happens. On the other hand, now in a reaction, RJD Neta Mrityunjay Tiwari has called it a family matter, saying that only top brass can answer. But a big and shocking allegation has come to the fore from Rohini Acharya, who, remember, gave kidney to her father in 2022, but 3 years later, she said that she was thrown out by her brother Tejasvi Yadav and his close aides Sanjay Yadav and Ramesh. She said that she was disgraced, abused and even hit with a slipper when she questioned Sanjay Yadav and Ramesh. A very strong reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have said that Bihar ki beti has been insulted by the RJD, slamming the Congress party as well for justifying this attack on Bihar ki beti. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's been getting us all the details. Pragya, strong reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party that Bihar's daughter has been insulted. Take us through that.
Absolutely, and many in the BJP believes, and in fact we have spoken to Mr. Shahnawaz Hussain. He said that this is the same woman, this is the same daughter who had given her kidney to the father, and there is a time where she is being kicked out, abused, and in fact she has been alienated from the family. Nothing worse can happen to a daughter than this. And in fact, when RJD also spoke about women, and this is the reason why BJP is also questioning, is this how you empower women? Is this how you empower the downtrodden and also those who have been marginalized? This is also shows a lot on the kind of politics that you do, because you start everything with your family first, and this is exactly what BJP is showing to the people of Bihar as well, that these were the people who wanted to rule you, who wanted to govern you, and look at them. They do not care for their own family. They do not care for the respect of their daughter. They do not care for the samajik equality. All they care is about power, and all they care about is money. And look at the Congress right now. This is a chance for the Congress to mend their ways with the RJD and also try to ensure that all is well in the family of Lalu. They could have played a role in which these situation would not come out in the media, but rather they chose to comment on it, saying that this keeps on happening in the families. Who as an ally would speak like that? In fact, BJP is not even speaking on the family matters like this, as Congress is right now commenting on it. BJP believes that this is internal family matter, yes, but this also shows what you are trying to give to people of Bihar had you won. This is also a very serious commentary on the state of affairs in RJD and Congress, and as Prime Minister, kept reiterating, even after the result, he said that their quarrel is going to come out on the roads soon after the results will come out, and we are witnessing that. The start is the Lalu's family in this case.
Absolutely. The Congress party justifying the attack, the RJD leader steering away from the responsibility by calling this a family matter. But Bihar ki beti has been insulted, as the Bharatiya Janata Party has said, and this will remain our top focus story here on Times Now. Thanks so much, Pragya, for all the details. Back after a very short break. Stay with us.